Shisi, today I have presentation in school. That is wonderful. Why do you look worried? My heart is beating fast. I feel nervous. It is okay, Misi. Many children feel nervous. Pack your bag. Let's go to school first. Okay.
Let us practice while we walk. Okay, I hope I don't mess up. You won't. I'll help you. Thanks, Shisi. You're the best. Hello, friends. My name is Misi. You got this, Misi. Oh no, I forgot again. It's okay. Try again. Hello, friends. My name is Misi.
I have to speak in front of the whole class.
Don't worry, Misi. You'll do great.
You think so? I know so. Don't be nervous, Misi. You've got this. Good morning, children. Today is presentation day.
Good morning.
Okay, Shisi, I'll try. You will do great.
Misi, do not worry. You can take your time.
What if everyone laughs at me?
You can take your time. Everyone learns step by step.
Misi, remember to breathe slowly.
Okay, I will try again. I believe in you.
Hello, friends. My name is Misi. Today I want to talk about helping animals. When we help animals, they feel safe.
Very nice speaking, Misi. Good job, Misi.
You did amazing!
I was nervous, but I tried.
Trying makes us brave.
It is okay to feel nervous. What a great day at school, Shisi. It was. Walking home is the best part. The sunset is so pretty.
It is. Makes me feel happy. Subscribe to our channel for more stories.